Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge the Airpods Pro and plug your laptop into power. Open Bluetooth settings on the laptop and keep the Airpods case lid open. Press and hold the setup button until the LED flashes white. Once paired, make sure the laptop recognizes the Airpods as an audio device. You want a stable connection because updates require uninterrupted Bluetooth and occasional internet downloads. So stop background syncs and notifications to reduce interference. Now you run the firmware transfer tool on the laptop and select the Airpods Pro. You will see the current firmware version. Compare it to the latest release. Once you click Update, the laptop uploads the firmware via Bluetooth. This can take several minutes. Keep the case open, the AirPods inside, and maintain proximity so the signal remains strong. If prompted, grant any permissions and avoid using the AirPods for audio during the transfer, because interruptions can corrupt the update. Finish by confirming the laptop shows a successful update and that the Airpods Pro report the new firmware version. Once done, close the case and test audio and noise-canceling features. If something goes wrong, first restart the laptop and reset the AirPods by holding the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Then repair and retry. If repeated failures persist, document error messages and contact support. This saves time and avoids bricking the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.